Hi everyone. Today I want to remind you of the lesson that teacher Monique shared with us last week that was about correlative conjunctions. I know that that's a mouthful, but they are these common pairs of words that you often hear in English. And teacher Monique explained to you what the meanings are when we have these pairs of words in a sentence that kind of relate and link together different parts of a statement, of a sentence. So when we have either or, that means it's one or the other, but not both. Neither nor, that's totally the negative situation where it's not one and it's also not the other. So this would be one of the choices. This would be zero, okay? Both and, that's the positive one that links two things. So this would be two, both this and that. And then these are positively related. The situation with but, as teacher Monique explained it to us, is that there's a surprise. So it's not only A, but also B. And usually that is something that is surprising in the context of that sentence. So I want to show you some practice that you can do over here in Burlington English that's going to help you practice what you learned from that video from teacher Monique. So you're going to log in as usual. Always remember to check away from school is where you're practicing. And then we're going to click here into courses. We're in our General English Burlington Core. And today we're going to look in the low intermediate level in student lessons. And to show you, remember you have 10 on most all of those books. And we're all the way down here in government and law. And the lesson is here in 6, grammar. Okay, so it's module 10 and lesson 6, grammar, has some of these correlative conjunctions. So this lesson does not include the one with the surprise, but you do get to practice both and, either or, and neither nor. Okay, so for example, we have a little setup here of a situation where this paragraph has those different word pairs. So let's move through here. We'll do a few of the exercises on each so that you can see how to do them. And then I want you to make sure that you spend some time and practice this lesson so that you can review what you've learned. Okay, so here we have both Maria and Min received fines for speeding. We have highlighted both and. They can pay either online or in person. Okay, so this is one or the other. Neither Maria nor Min wants to pay their fines in court because they both work in the mornings. So this would be 0 of them. They will pay their fines online instead. So let's see if we can understand this, true or false. People can only pay traffic fines online. So that would be if there was just one choice. But here we have either online or in person. So we know there's 2 choices. So here, this is false. The court is only open on Monday and Wednesdays. No, it is open weekdays. Weekdays refers to every day, Monday through Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So that's also false. What about this? Maria and Min work in the mornings. Yes, we found this out. Here's the word that's really important, both. They both work in the mornings. Let's check and see if we got them right. Okay? So that's a good one to get ready. It's a little bit of practice. Remember, presentation is where you'll always find the lesson. Okay, so here it is. We're going to learn the rule. Make sure you can see that. Learn the rule and read the examples. We have both and, either or, and neither nor connect parts of a sentence. All right, this is a review of those sentences we just read. Neither nor has a negative meaning. Okay, it means 0 total. When this is a good point for everyone to notice. Okay, I want you to really pay attention to this. When neither nor connects two singular subjects, okay, for example, Min and Maria each are the name of one person, so those are singular. Then you use the singular form of the verb. Okay, so sometimes we might get confused thinking you have two names here, so this must be a plural here. No, you're going to have the S for present tense singular. Neither Min nor Maria wants to pay their fines in court. So that's a good reminder, and it will come up in this practice. Okay, let's just look at each practice so that we see how it works. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. Okay, this is one where we're going to drag. Okay, the restrooms are for both men and women. That is called a unisex bathroom, or all people are allowed in. That would be like a single restroom. You can take elevator or the stairs. You can choose, right? So that's going to be this choice either. All right. Okay. This is really helpful to be looking at these signs and thinking about what they mean. So if you have a little picture of something and no line, then that means it's okay. So here we have a positive, both swimming and fishing. All right. And then we'll think about this. So we have this circle with a line through it, and you know that's a negative. That's no. Neither cars nor buses. Whoops. And then we just hover it over there. All right, good. And then if you don't get them correct, just click reset. All right, and then that's going to clear out all of your answers for you to practice it again. All right, this would be another one. Here we don't drag it, but you'll need to type it, okay? And think about it. I love the outdoors and I enjoy biking and walking my dog. So that sounds like a both, okay? And so then you'll just continue to go through. If you want to check each one, you can. It will tell you that you didn't answer everything, and then it will put you back here so that you can keep trying. All right, let's look at this one. This is a little longer. Remember, we're in low intermediate, so you do need to type out the whole sentence here. So let's do one for an example. Malik doesn't like pizza. Kiara doesn't like pizza. So this is a little bit repetitive. It's very basic writing. So this is a very good way using these conjunctions to build your writing and make it more advanced. So this is a no for Malik and a no for Kiara. So we know we need to use this third pair, neither nor. Neither Malik, let me capitalize it, nor Kiara. And remember from the presentation, we need S. And let's check that. Remember, it's going to tell me I didn't finish the exercise. Yes, I want to correct myself. I want to keep working. Okay. Let's look in practice 7. Okay, this is a nice one. You get to read these and see which ones are true for you. So I'll show you some that are true for me. I enjoy both indoors and outdoors. Let's see, I shop both online and in stores. Okay, and let's see. Yeah, neither football nor baseball interests me. I'm not interested. I like to watch basketball. In the evenings, I either watch TV or spend time with my family. No, I do a lot of other things too. And let's see, so I eat both meat and a vegetable. See, when I go out, I usually meet either friends or coworkers in normal times for sure. Okay, so then you would record yourself speaking and get a little pronunciation practice. Okay, and last, you will look at these sentences and see where there is an error. Okay. They mean that you are missing one of the conjunctions, okay? So it's got either the first one or the second one, but it won't have both. And you'll need to see which one is missing. So, for example, this one, either Karen Emma has to do the grocery shopping this week. So which one is the pair with either is or? Either Karen or Emma has to do the grocery shopping this week? We're going to check it. Remember? Yep, I know. Okay. Yes, let's correct ourselves. Okay, so that's a great lesson there for you to review what you've learned about both and, either or, neither nor. And it would be great in your groups if you would share, you can go back to this number, where is it? Here it is. You can go back to 7 and you can choose one of these sentences to share with the group, or write a new sentence, a statement about you, and use one of these pairs of correlative conjunctions. So maybe some of you might say, I study both with Burlington English and in another class, or another sentence like that, okay? So we'd love to hear from you, a sentence about yourself. You can choose one of these, or you can write something new, share it in the chat, and enjoy practicing this after the lesson from Teacher Monique. Remember, you can go back in your group chat and re-watch that video and then come here for some practice. Have a great week. Take care of yourselves, and thank you for studying with us.